Welcome to Pip Insight. Monday the 6th of July, New York pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 3 showing bullish structure and 4 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Canada, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold analysis, you're in the right place, and today's setup is worth your full attention. Gold has entered a clear distribution phase after a powerful rally from the July 1st low around $39.73 all the way up to $4,215 on July 5th, a move of roughly $242. But since that peak, the structure has shifted. We're now seeing successive lower highs on the 4-hour chart, and London session price action has been grinding steadily lower throughout the morning. As we head into the New York Open, gold is sitting around 41.44, having just broken below the 41.55 to 41.65 range that held most of the morning session. The bias here is moderately bearish. Above price, the 41.83 to 42.15 zone has acted as a firm ceiling, with multiple rejections at that 4,187 level throughout London hours. Below, the key structural support sits between 40.95 and 41.15. That's the prior breakout region from the July 2nd surge, and it's the level sellers would need to drive through to extend this corrective move meaningfully. On the fundamental side, the 10 o'clock ISM Services PMI is the key catalyst. A strong reading above the 54.2 forecast could reinforce dollar strength, which historically pressures gold. A softer miss, though, could offer the metal some breathing room. FOMC member Waller also speaks at 11, watch for any hawkish tone there. Into the session, keep your eyes on 4,187 as resistance and 40.95 as the structural floor. Euro dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1 for 4 and 1.1 for 5.5. Support is marked between 1.1385 and 1.1397. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 162.6 and 162.77. Support is marked between 161.84 and 162. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The moving averages are fanning below price. Resistance is marked between 0.6941 and 0.6945. Support is marked between 0.6915 and 0.6918. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.5692 and 0.5696. Support is marked between 0.5668 and 0.5673. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.425 and 1.4265. Support is marked between 1.4195 and 1.421. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 216.75 and 216.95. Support is marked between 215.85 and 216.05. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.